Hello, Blast Airsoft here, bringing you a video by Jonathan Black.
Hey there, this is Blast Airsoft coming at you with another unboxing. Today we will be doing a small box, $25 off of Fox Airsoft. So let's see what we got. Give me a knife. Just using the biggest knife possible to cut open this frickin' box. Why not? I don't know how to open the box, apparently. There we go. Finally got it open. Okay, so let's see what we got. So it looks like we got a patch. Let's see what's inside the patch. Oh, okay. So it says, my favorite time is quiet time. It's got 2 silenced pistols that are crossed. We got, a laser sight system. We got frickin' Lancer Tactical Paracord bracelet. We got what looks like a speed loader. And then we got the order stuff. So it looks like it's gonna be $5, 15 to 30, 20. 8, that's 28. 8 is 36. Okay, so we got about $36 worth. That's a good buy for 25 bucks. Thank you for watching, and this is Best Airsoft out.